know what time it is, Gunners. You know what time it is. We are about to do some real ratchet business over here, Trappy. My boy is rigging something up right now. We're installing some laughing gas in the RX-8, and I don't know. Wish us luck. I hope you guys are enjoying the content on this car. Hopefully the motor stays together, Trappy, because I'd like to do some more donuts and drifting and burnouts. But let's see if this video, the RX-8, can handle an open nitrous shot. You want to start off with 100? Yeah. Start off with 100 shot. Ready to start gunning? The RX-8 is. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. Okay, this is the plan, right? We have a Zex nitrous kit here. Come on, autofocus. Work with me today. Make my life easy. We're going to mount that sucker up right here. Put like a 12 nut on there, right? We'll get the bottle line from there. Send it through the window in the back seat. We don't care. And then, where's my jet, Trappy? Where is my jet? Found it. So this is our jet. We're most likely going to turn this guy this way so we can get the nitrous line through there, and then put this guy in here, or maybe drill it through this hard rubber, and then we'll probably do some precautionary and put some zip ties on it, but that's basically it. We also built a momentary switch. Trappy's rigging that up right now, and that's how we're gonna spray it. Power and ground.
Power and ground.
Done. No relay, nothing.
What are you doing here?
I don't know, Trap. I'm just trying to bring some better air into this vehicle, so I'm removing the bottom of the air box. I'll tell you one thing, it's like a Honda. 10s, 12s, 14s, yes, 17s. Sure.
Oh, that's a nice little radiator.
Nice little unit there. This is garbage. Yeah. Chuck that guy. We're going to plug this back in. Now we have all this air to take in from here because...
More ponies.
More ponies. Keep this stuff away from the belt. I'll put this up here, Trappy. We need our mass airflow sensor. And that's about it. Plug this guy up back into here. This is the first time, Trap, ever in my entire life. I'm 35 years old. This is the first Mazda I've ever worked on. Yeah. All I've known is Hondas.
It's my very first rotary I've ever.
So I think I like that right there, Trap. Yeah. I think I like that position. And when that fan turns on, you might get a little bit more velocity.
Oh, that might be some forced induction.
Yeah. Let's tighten up this clamp. Yeah. Ain't going nowhere, champ. Zip ties, here we come. Even when we try to do like ratchet stuff, Trap, we still got to do it clean.
Nah, it's got to be clean.
So we're going to do terminals on each end of this, and just have one power wire, and then our ground will use as one wire too.
Yeah, from the momentary switch.
From the momentary switch will be the ground. But Trappy will put some terminals on this end here, and we should be real soon. We got to do it right, Trap.
I mean, yeah, we might have to retract the ratchet statement. Yeah. This is a clean, pretty piece.
Let's see here. A little bit more. Somebody's probably like, man, I'd like them to install my stuff ratchet. It's all right. So we're using...
quick. We've been at this for like, what, how many? Like 20, 30 minutes
20
max?
minutes. 20 minutes. But this is, if you're wondering why, right here, it's because we have to spray it after the sensor, or else we'll break the sensor and the car will run like trash. So now this guy runs inside. Beautiful. Yeah, lighting ain't gonna do you a favor. And now,
good fit though, good fit.
It's a good fit. Put this guy here. I've got gloves on, so it's harder to do. That's done, right?
I'm gonna look in the, hold on.
And then our jet goes like this. That's it. Take a look. Look at that. Look inside. Oh, he ready to spray.
Oh yeah, we out.
How's that look, guys? We've got our jet installed. We've got a bottle that's probably like 5 years old, Trappy. We're gonna test it right now. So plug that guy up and we'll be right back. That's 100 shot to start off with. Oh boy. We've got a few more jets here we can up later. We didn't want to put Big Bertha in right here. Hold on. That's Big Bertha. Hold on, let me show you Big Bertha. Come on, Big Bertha. Jesus Christ. Of course, autofocus. You always mess with me. Ready to test it?
Yeah, about to.
Okay, Trappy, where's your wiring out here?
So this is, yeah, I'll leave this like this so I can shoot up.
Where? Okay, so we got the power from there.
Yeah.
So power the switch. That's from that's from the.
This is grounding the switch.
Yep.
And this is power to the solenoid.
Power to the solenoid. Power to the solenoid there.
Let's make sure all the lines are tight.
I know we tightened this one for sure.
One's loose.
That one's loose? Well, we have to loosen it to put it in the car, so it's just to check. Open her up. Oh, that line won it. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Get the button. All right, hold on. Let me get this. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on. Go ahead. One more time. It's cold.
Yeah, we out.
Nacho, hello.
Nacho.
That's a 10 right there, Trappy.
You ready to make a hit trap?
Yeah, I'm ready. Hold on. Tighten up that guy right there. And then I got a 12 for that solenoid. I got a 12 for the solenoid. So set it up where you want to leave it. Good. Chill, come on. I gave you the 12, right? Professional, Papa. Tá nítido.
Yes, Brandon.
Sturdy unit.
I'm all routed up.
Gangsta. Got some zip ties here. We're gonna zip tie our line to our line inside the car. We put it through the window, through these windows right here, because we don't know where any of the holes are in the firewall. So this is why we're doing it this way.
It works.
So we'll put, yeah, of course it works. Leave our button there. Again, we'll zip tie these guys together, and we're almost on road. Bring the bottle into the holder.
It brought a bottle.
Bottle holder. There it is. Strap it up. There goes our third passenger here.
Yeah, you're good. Look, you just a little bit of this.
Yup. Nailed it.
Yeah, we're good.
Put that line on there. We'll tighten it. It's almost zoom zoom or boom boom time. Ready for this trap?
I'm ready.
You got the switch?
Yeah, I got the. Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Nice. We gotta look for a nice little strip. Maybe put it in third gear just to make sure everything is good. Put it on a load and bang.
Oh, hold on! Hit it with your thumb right now. Hold on. I think I got it. No. You were doing it with your other hand, and it looked like you was hitting the button right there. We out. This is gonna go one of two ways.
Zoom zoom or kaboom boom? Hear me floor it?
Yeah.
Hit the nitrous. Hold on, let this car make this U-turn. Damn it, man. Ah.
Hating on us, man. Oh, pull it on.
We'll get it. That shot is weak, Trappy.
Yeah, we might need to go no jet.
We might need to go no jet. You ready? Hold on. That's a weak shot.
Yeah.
If it's even working. Oh, shut it off again. Gotcha. That's a weak shot, man.
Yeah, we might need to take the whole jet off, Trap.
We might. I probably put the wrong jet in. I thought it was a 100 shot. We lost the electric power steering. Oh my god.
Did the nitrous do that? No,
Yeah,
come on.
what happened? Look at this. It's like turning on its own. Oh, we lost it. Yep. It's saying we lost it. Come on, buddy.
Oh no, Trap.
Power steering. Big shot in, Trappy. It's a big shot we just put in it. I hope it holds. It keeps shutting off. Dale, cabrón. Dale. Eche aire. We got our electric steering back, though. We're gonna have to hit it down the strip. Close to home, Trap.
Yeah.
Let the toe be cheap. Here we go.
I'm ready. Give him some room. Give him some room.
Just make sure.
I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Ready? Go. Oh yeah!
That's working.
Yo, you should see the smoke behind it. Make sure I'm full throttle, Trappy. Hold on.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I felt it. I felt the nitrous kicking in.
Leaned out.
Yeah.
Leaned out though. Yo, it's still going strong.
Yo,
Man.
still, man.
Strong puppy, man.
Nah, we doubled the shot that we put in it.
Double. Yeah. Shout out to RX-8s, man. Strong rotary.
Word.
We got one shot at this.
We got one shot
All
at
right.
this.
I'm gonna start the donut in first, and then you just hit it. All right?
I'm with you.
Oh, I feel it. Too much, Trappy. Too much. I'm trying to finish the donut. That was too much, man. That was too much. We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we out of here.
Hey, you got Trappy here. What do you got? It's over.
Yeah.
We can't get this thing to blow up. We're like on
hold up, though, yeah.
They held up. We're like on 100 and something shot. I think we're gonna need to up it up a little bit more. But Kobe's on the way. We want to finish off this vlog and just let you know. The RX-8 is holding up. It is holding up. So our future plans is we've got a Collins adapter kit. It's gonna go K-series. We're gonna make it boost. We're gonna have fun. We're ordering a body kit for it. I already got suspension for it. I got brakes for it. I've got all the what else did we pick up?
All the control arms.
All the control arms. We got that part. We've got a short block being built at 4 piston. We've got a cylinder head there that we can fully build. Our goal with the RX-K, that's the name of the car. It's an RX-8. Take away the 8, you put it into a K because it'll have a K swap. That's the fun part. So we're going to teach you guys how to do it on your own. This will be a complete DIY, the same way we did Lefty, the same way we did Oren, the same way we did Scarlet, the same way we did Kobe, and other builds. You guys will be able to put your own K-series in RX-8s. Why did we choose the RX-8, Trap?
Unique, man. Who does it?
It's unique, that's one. 2, the bodies are still holding up. We're running out of Hondas, bro. It's hard to find an immaculate EG, and if you do, it's in bad shape. If it's in bad shape, where they want $4 million. They want $4 million negotiable. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We tried to have a little bit more fun. We tried to keep off the seriousness all the time of showing you how to install and that. I know you guys love that part. That's why you love this channel. But we wanted to do ratchet stuff today, and I hope you guys were entertained. So, RX-K, that's the future. Like, comment, subscribe.